You ready?
You want to light the people up? They closed their door, Luke. Shut it back. Nice job, buddy. All right, I got one at the whorehouse. I'm pinning down. Brandon, you need to move up here. Yes, Jared, one at that window in that whorehouse there. One at that window. Possibly two in there. One on either side. One on either side. Definitely right side. Definitely right side.
Stay there.
All right, Luke's at your 12 in that building here.
We're all in the tire field! Tire field! We gotta get some people in that tire field, man. Tire field down there. There's like 6 of them in there. Good move, man.
They're in the tire field. They're in the tire field for sure. They're on me right here in the tire field. Watch that angle. Watch that angle. Alright, good. Hey, watch that window here. Going across. Hey!
Go first! Animal last man.
Go like I'm there, go to the ground right here.
Going in. Cover me, Jared.
All the way down! All the way down!
Okay, I count 1. The opposite 2. Yeah, go for it. Just a little bit, just a crack. Just a crack.
No!
Say, there.
You got it.
I got 2 down, all the way down, 2 up and down on the police station.
Okay, you have one by the car. He's got his head. All you can see is his head. He's about grill high on that car. It's all the way down there. Okay, you see his helmet? There's 2. There's 2. All the way down. He's hit. Shut it. All right, one more time, Luke. Shut it.
He's down there behind the Jeep.
Yeah, behind the Jeep, head high of grill. Okay. One more time, Luke. Hold on. It looks like he's on the move. He's... Pop it. Ready? I count 2 now. There's one with a beanie. Alright, just 6 inches there. That's enough, that's enough. Moving tire field! Moving tire field! Got 1. Got 2. Shut it, shut it, shut it. 1 tire field! Yeah, nice job, Jared! Copy that!
Right there.
Okay, we got 1. I can see in that far building next to, behind the car. Pop it. Shut it.
There's somebody down over here.
Right behind us.
Let's goose. Let's goose. Yeah.
Go for it, Luke. That's good, that's good. He's in the building. You're not going to be able to see him. I can see. Yeah, I can. He's in the doorway. Alright, shut it.
Go ahead.
Friendly!
Copy that. I need a tag member to move to Joker.
Front of the bus. Alright, ready? Okay, ready? Yep. Go for it. Wait, hold on. Shut it. You see, there's 3.
Say again, we have a friendly front of the bus. Joker and tag.
Go for it. Hold on. I'll tell you when he's talking. Just open it up about 6 inches, man. That's all I need. Okay, hold on. Let me get it count. 1. Ease it open. Ease it open. Go for it. He's aiming at us. Nice job. Nice job. He's hit. Nice job.
Hey, let me ask you guys a question. Can we move on if you open that door?
Yeah, no, they got a real nice lane of sight there. Just a couple of inches there. Okay, they're onto that now. I don't know where he is. Is he down this side?
Leave that door closed.
Yeah, no. As they're trying to run into the schoolhouse, just leave it closed. Alright, we got 1 by the G. Let's go! Up to this building here! Two. Watch that window here, fella. Watch this window. Watch this window. Ready? Hey, moving in. Get ready. Ready. Moving down the left side. Tire field. Okay, there's this guy right here. Hey,
What's coming through?
they're coming through this door here. This door here. Hit. Dead man here. Nice job. Dead man coming out. Dead man here. Coming out.